morning, Nisha.
Good morning.
Today I am here to deliver a short note on untouchability. For better understanding, I am going to divide my topic in four parts. The first one is untouchability, and the second is history of untouchability. The third is struggle of untouchability, and the fourth is conclusion. So let's start with the untouchability. Untouchability is the practice of discriminating various individual and group based on the basis of their caste and their jobs. In India, caste system is very famous. Untouchability is present in India since centuries. The untouchables usually bears inhuman treatment because it belongs to the lower caste. Now it's turned to the history of untouchability. The caste system has derived from the Vedic text which divide people in four parts. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudras. These people are divided basically on their caste. The Dalit of the untouchables has been derived from the Sanskrit text which means dull and that means of downtrodden and broken. Some people believe that the untouchability is the privilege in India, but it also privilege in also very countries like Japan, Tibet and Korea. Now it's turned to the struggle of untouchability. After fighting many years against dominance over the oppressed class, the practice of untouchability still has its marks in our society. Even the educated people follow these practice, but uneducated people cannot follow these practice. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi were among the prominent leaders who fought very hard for the practice of untouchability. Thus, these hard work of these people give a chance to prove the Dalit and enhance the quality and brotherhood in our society. Now, in conclusion, we shall not dominate and discriminate the people about their caste. We should teach our children that the sensibility and equality for all the people are equal. This is all about untouchability. Thank you.